What is Earth science? That is planet Earth. This picture was taken when they went to the moon. We can see the whole planet, one picture. It's beautiful. The continent that you see right here, that's Africa. And this is Antarctica at the bottom. We sometimes call Earth the blue planet because of our big blue oceans. Planet Earth is a system. A system means that things go in and things go out, if they can. And so we say a system can be open and things can come in and out, or a system can be closed. It has a lid. Nothing gets in or out. System, all inside. An island is open. Air can get in, rain can get in, food, animals, birds, fish can swim to the island. So things can get in or out. A submarine is closed. All of the air, food, water to drink has to be inside the submarine. There's nowhere to stop underwater and get more food or more air. It is closed. Is the Earth an island, or is the Earth a submarine? We say that the Earth is mostly closed. The Earth is a submarine. Is the Earth underwater? No. But the Earth is floating in space. And in space, there's no more air or food or water. There's nothing. So we are all right here. This is our food and air and water. And around us is nothing. Not until we get to the moon. And the moon does not have that stuff either. Okay? So the Earth is mostly closed. How did the Earth get here? How did the Earth get in space? Well, 4 billion years ago, 4 billion, huge number, there was a big cloud of gas, like air. But the cloud was really only two things: an element called hydrogen, which blows up, and an element called helium. Helium makes balloons float. And helium, it makes your voice sound really high and funny. Hydrogen and helium. And that hydrogen and helium started to swirl around, and it got hot. And the elements started to crash together, and it got even more hot. And eventually it formed the sun, and the leftover dust became the Earth. You can see it here, the cloud, the hot sun, and the leftover dust became the planets. The hydrogen and the helium smashed together to make more elements: carbon, which is us, oxygen, we breathe, iron, which we know is inside the Earth. In fact, that's what happened next. We got layers. Remember, layers crust, mantle, core. The layers formed because of density. Layers formed because of density. Iron went to the middle, and oxygen, hydrogen, helium went to the top. They floated. Things like oxygen and hydrogen made our atmosphere. What we breathe, the gases, and even the atmosphere has layers. The top of the atmosphere are the light gases, hydrogen, helium. The bottom are the heavy gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Next, the earth got oceans. The gases came out of the ground and water formed. We got water from space. Asteroids crashed and had water with them, ice that melted. And that water helped make plants, the first real big life on Earth. The plants made oxygen for humans and animals to breathe. Layers, atmosphere, oceans, plants, and finally, animals. And look what's next. Question mark. We don't know. Right now, it's animals and plants, but we don't know how the earth will end. We know how the sun will end, but we don't know what happens on earth before then. Two big things you need to know. Number one, the earth has layers because of density. Number two, the earth is closed. We are a submarine in space.